Nah, bro, we'll go here better than that. Go outside. Brother, tell man foolish, man. Yo, put anywhere you want, put here. Put make it free. Not when your fault can cause potential harm, brother. We have like what? Two civilians in here. And the man I beat people and last. Brother, a little poop never kill nobody. Here it does. Like make part and part. Because she will up on part there and I kill her. Brother, every time when I work here, come bother me. And have somebody else and bother you. Brother, they put the free you. Ah, yeah. See that?
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. No fair. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I've never fallen from quite this high, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
Oh.
That was just something. Fuck. Man, you do that thing, man. Yell. Everybody pass one yell at me, fucking idiot. And that me forget, man. Yeah, me forget. One of them shitty notes you let to go.
No, man. You know, say a doctor, I'm go. Doctor, I'm going doctor, so I need to eat more iron in my diet, you see. So I'm going to name the bicycle here, you know.
I know that the doctor mean, dog. You can't believe it, brother. What is today, I do, dog? This the man I talk, brother.
Eat iron! I'm say anyhow, man.
What if I Yo, dog, here. Chicken food. Chicken food come from chicken, though. Yeah. Pig steel. Pig steel come from pig. Yeah, bro. Right? So where oxtail come from? Where oxtail come from, dog? You ever see oxtail Jamaica? I can't cow oxtail come from, brother, but the cow them would have called it cow tail, dog. Fuck, dog, mother put on the
So Atiana, woman.
I don't know nobody.
Yo, the cat here,
I know,
the
but
cat
just
here,
keep it
dog, mother
single,
put
you know,
one
you
pan
know.
a cat here, dog.
Okay.
I'm just put my sexual energy in a word.
No she,
Gives
but
a
that you,
positive impact.
you, no man, that nasty you. Yeah, pretty cool cat. Brother, move for answer, man. Yeah, wait, man. Look, yeah, tell me, say you wouldn't put one pan that. You wouldn't put one pan that. One, you is a man cat. Sheba is a woman dog. That can't work. What make it can't work? Why? You're a man cat. Get it? Woman dog, man cat. So me I go with this? Tell him can't bother with him. You hear this, brother? This one. All men are dogs. Okay, class. So today we're gonna do a little vocabulary exercise. Morning, sir. Morning, Chris. The word in which we're gonna use make a sentence today is Chinese. Oh, me, sir. Me. Go ahead. Alright, sir. So me and my friend are easy, right, sir? And my friend say him go foreign. So I say which foreign? Him say no member. Him I go ask try. I'm uncle. Okay. So now we are go back on where I go ask try and somebody stop my friend and say, yo, you know say try, car lick try, but him not dead. Him uncle broke up. So my friend say, which part and try, bro? Try hands? First no. Chinese.